Hey there, it's Courtney from HubSpot Academy. I'm going to take you on a journey of 10 email marketing tips in 60 seconds. Let's go. Just like you were told about driving, email is a privilege, not a right. Avoid sending emails from info@yourcompany.com. Make it personal and have it come from a human.
When nurturing your contacts, it's all about patience. Your company wasn't built overnight, and neither will your relationships with your contacts.
Testing emails is all about testing one element at a time. Just like the Beatles said, "Can't buy me love," you can't purchase relationships, so don't purchase lists. Personalized experiences are no joke. Use segmentation when sending email. Email deliverability isn't a bad thing. If used in your inbound strategy, it can help you build trust.
Cats aren't just for the internet. The right content to the right audience at the right time equals success. Average email subject lines are 41 to 50 characters. Keep your subject lines short and sweet.
Be human and helpful in every email that you send, and you will put you and your business on the path to success and continued growth. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and let me know which email tip that you used. Thanks for watching.